Hey there, everyone. Chet here. Today, we're looking at Shopify and Hostinger to see really which one is better for your website. Shopify is great for online stores, while Hostinger is known for cheap and fast hosting. We'll compare how they work, what features they offer, and which one fits your needs best. But before we start, here's a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You will also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, let me give you a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is an all-in-one store builder. This means that it gives you everything you need to sell online, like product pages, a shopping cart, payments, and easy design tools. You don't need to install anything or deal with technical setup. It's already built for e-commerce. Now, on the other hand, Hostinger is a hosting platform. Hosting means your website has a place to live on the internet. Hostinger lets you build any type of website because you can use their builder or connect WordPress, but you'll need to set up your store tools separately if you're looking for e-commerce. Let's talk about features. Shopify comes built in with tools made for selling products. You can manage inventory, track orders, accept payments, and use apps to add more features. Everything is designed to work smoothly right from the start. Hostinger focuses more on speed, security, and strong website performance. It really is great if you want to use WordPress because WordPress gives you thousands of plugins for blogs, business websites, and online stores, but you'll need to install and connect those plugins by yourself. Let's look at ease of use. Shopify is very simple for beginners. You can create a complete store even if you've really never built a website before. Shopify handles hosting, updates, and security for you. Hostinger is also beginner friendly, but if you choose WordPress, you will have more steps to manage, like installing themes and plugins. So Shopify is easier if your main goal is selling products. Hostinger is easier if you want a low-cost website that you can customize more deeply. Next up, integrations. Shopify has its own app store where you really can add tools for anything: marketing, shipping, print on demand, drop shipping, and a lot more. These apps are easy to connect because Shopify built the whole system to work together. Now, Hostinger works differently. You get access to WordPress plugins, which gives you almost unlimited options, but you're going to have to manage them yourself. This can give you more freedom, but it also means more responsibility. Now, let's talk finally about pricing. Shopify offers several plans: basic, $25 a month; growth at $65 per month; advanced at $399 per month; and plus starts at $2,300 per month. Hostinger also has 4 plans. Explorer is $6.99 per month. Starter is $13.99 per month. Hobbyist is $39.99 per month. And Hustler is $79.99 per month. Now, which one do you choose? If you want an online store that works right away without any technical setup, Shopify is the better option. Everything is easy, clean, and connected. But if you want a cheaper website or you want to use WordPress and customize your site however you like, Hostinger is a great choice. It's affordable and it's fast, and you can build many different types of websites on it. Well, that's it for the video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you at all, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.